So in this video you'll see why we don't need to use if-else statements everywhere. Like here in this piece of code I have a method called getNumericMonth where I'm passing in the month in string format and it's returning to me the corresponding numeric value. So in cases like these where we already have a predefined value, key value pairs, we don't need to use if-else statement like this. Instead what you can do is you can define an object like this and add in the key value pairs directly here, right? Now once you have the object in hand, what you can do is you can simply call it like this. So I'll just define this num. Instead of the method, you can simply call the object here with the key as the month's name, and that should give you the corresponding value, as you can see here. So this makes the code a bit more readable, concise, and moreover you don't need this if else checking here, right? Similarly, you have one more alternative, like you can define this thing as enums also if you are using TypeScript. So you can define like month Jan 1 2 3, right? And similarly you can try calling this also, does the same job. Call month, you can pass in the value or the string month value here, and that should give you the value. I'll just name it Feb just for clarity. So you can see how you can do this without using the if-else statement. So I hope you find this video useful. Do let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.